define Mexico.
You want people to
You
define
wouldn't be able to go to
what it
Mexico
means?
and get that dish that's sitting there. There's some things about Mexican food in Mexico that are different than the US Mexican food. One is chips and salsa. They don't eat chips and salsa down in Mexico.
Probably. It's like the name there.
Your place is probably very